Let's start. I already prepare and soak the floral foam in the water. It's ready to use. So let's start. I have a scissor here. I have a palm leaves and I don't know what's how to call this kind of flowers and baby's breath. So I will start to cut the